Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your PC name in Windows 11. Whether you want to personalize your computer or give it a more meaningful name for easier identification on a network, Windows 11 makes the process quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open Settings by clicking on the Start menu icon and selecting Settings. Once the Settings window opens, make sure the System tab is selected from the left-hand side. At the top of the System page, you'll see your computer's current name. To change it, click on the Rename button. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a new name for your PC. Type the name you want to use, then click Next. Windows will then ask you to restart your computer to apply the changes. You can choose Restart Now to apply the new name immediately, or Restart Later if you want to save your work first. After your computer restarts, the new PC name will be applied successfully. And that's it. You've successfully changed your PC name in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.